Hello students, I'm Subha, your IELTS instructor from YourPedia. So if you're planning to take your IELTS exam soon, remember, don't make these 5 mistakes in the speaking section. Number 1. Giving short answers. Short answers seem to be extremely unconvincing for your examiner. So at least give an answer of 3 lines so as the examiner gets completely convinced. Secondly, not using connectors. Connectors are the most important part of your speaking section. So if you want to add some information, say in addition to this, furthermore, not only but also, and if you want to say for the opposite side, you can say on the contrary, however, although, and so on. Third mistake, saying yes, no, yes and no repetitively. As I already mentioned that you have to variate your answers. So for that, say certainly, indeed, definitely, or yes of course when you want to say yes. And if you have to say no, say not at all, not really. It will sound more impressive. Fourthly, when you skip the introduction in the cue card, you negatively impact your scores, and that too at an immense level. So remember, prepare an introduction for various types of cue cards, prepare different types of introductions. And lastly, when you don't variate your tenses and take the entire exam in a single tense, for example, most of the students use present tense for taking their entire speaking section. That reduces your scores immensely. So I hope this video was informative for all of you. If so, then please remember to like, share and subscribe our channel, YourPedia.